Unlock the power of advanced AI without spending a dime. Let's discover how to access Higgsfield's free resources. First, navigate directly to the official Higgsfield website. Look for clear pathways that indicate free access. This could be a dedicated free tier, a trial period, or a community edition. They want you to experience what Higgsfield can do, so these options are usually front and center. Click on the most relevant free access option. You'll likely be guided through a simple registration process. This usually involves providing your email address and creating a password. It's a standard procedure to get you set up. Once registered, you'll be presented with Higgsfield's core functionalities. Explore the platform, familiarize yourself with the available tools, and see what kind of AI-driven tasks you can perform, even within these free parameters. Take advantage of any preloaded demos or sample projects. These are excellent for understanding the practical applications of Higgsfield's AI without needing to input your own data. It's like a guided tour of its capabilities. Pay attention to any informational pop-ups or facts. These often clarify what's included in the free access, such as usage limits or available features. Understanding these details ensures you get the most out of your no-cost exploration. Experiment with different functions. Are you curious about text generation, data analysis, or creative content creation? Dive into each available free feature and see how Higgsfield performs on tasks that interest you. This is your low-risk entry point to discover its potential. By following these steps, you can effectively explore Higgsfield's AI capabilities, gaining valuable experience without any financial commitment. Happy experimenting!